Here is how to delete emails in bulk in Gmail. So first, if you want to delete individual emails, you can go to your inbox and select the emails that you want to remove by clicking the checkbox to the left of each email and then click on delete button at the top and the emails will be moved to the bin. If you want to permanently delete them, simply tap on this more icon from the left hand side of the screen, then go to the trash icon. Check the box in the top, then tap on delete forever and you'll be done. To delete your entire inbox, click on the select checkbox at the very top of the screen, which will select all the conversations, and after that, click on delete in the top and it will be instantly moved to the recycle bin or the trash section. Access it, tap on this checkbox in the top, tap on delete forever and you'll be done. You can also delete emails containing a specific word. Click show search options in the top of the screen and type in the word in the include the word field and use another filter and set a date range if needed. Then click on search, select all the emails, ensuring the sorting order is set to the most recent to see the select all option and select all the conversation. Then click on delete. And don't forget to empty the bin afterwards. You may need to wait for the emails to move into the bin after you can empty it properly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.